but we live in a world where everybody has become so sensitive कि कोई कुछ बोलना ही नहीं चाह रहा. So if you're in the opinion industry, you're supposed to give opinions.
Correct.
But let's forget about teams getting to become great test teams. वो अब होने वाला है नहीं. इरशाद
कि क्रिकेट का सारा एनालिसिस लेकर, मधुर संगीत का पिटारा लेकर, बढ़ती उम्र में जवानी का खजाना लेकर आज क्रिकेट विद सेट पर आए हैं हमारे संजय मांजरेकर. सर नमस्कार.
परफेक्ट. और ये जो आपने शेर बोला है ये आप बोल सक रहे क्योंकि आप मुझे अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं, इसीलिए आपको पता ये जो आपने बिल्कुल सच है ये सब जो आपने कहा वो. लेकिन बढ़ती उम्र जो है सबकी होती है.
सर मैंने जवानी डाला है उसमें, लेकिन जवानी डाला है मैंने. जवानी का खजाना.
जी 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 जी.
So, संजय सबसे पहले बात करते हैं. ऑब्वियसली वी आर हियर फॉर इंडिया श्रीलंका एंड सबसे पहले बिकॉज आपकी राय जो हमेशा इतनी कैंडिड होती है, इतनी बेबाक होती है, तो मैं आपसे सही में पूछना चाहता हूँ, हाउ एक्साइटेड आर यू, इन ऑल ऑनेस्टी, हाउ एक्साइटेड आर यू फॉर दिस सीरीज?
Let me first clarify जो आपने पहले कहा वो कि I don't think there is any other way than to answer with honesty. तो ये candid नहीं है, honesty है. But we live in a world where everybody has become so sensitive कि कोई कुछ बोलना ही नहीं चाह रहा. So if you're in the opinion industry, you're supposed to give opinions.
Correct.
I never claim to be right, but मैं यहाँ पर हूँ, opinion industry में हूँ. जब लोग मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो उसका मैं आंसर देता हूँ. मैं घर बैठे तो ऐसे चिल्लाता नहीं. So I just do my job. And yeah, this is the only way I know. And that is what it is. So जो भी बात आती है, so आप डरिए नहीं. इस सीरीज के बारे में भी मैं बिल्कुल आपको ऑनेस्टली बताऊंगा. मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि इट्स लाइक वॉचिंग, आई यूज्ड टू गेट वेरी एक्साइटेड वॉचिंग अंडर 19 क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप, जहाँ पर मैंने ऋषभ पंत को देखा था बिफोर ही प्लेड फॉर दिल्ली. आई सॉ कुलदीप यादव, इन सबको मैंने वहां देखा. तो उसी तरह का एक्साइटमेंट है क्योंकि ये नेक्स्ट जनरेशन है.
करेक्ट. एंड वी हैव सीन यू फ्रॉम क्लोज क्वार्टर्स जब आप अंडर 19 क्रिकेट में, अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप में commentary करते हुए, and it was very evident from your voice the way you would get excited with all the young talents. I still remember, I think it was a 2014 World Cup जिसमें कागिसो रबाडा थे, and I think you were of the opinion that he would really come up trumps with with the big guns.
And it didn't need anybody to have great cricketing क्या बोलते हैं वो रीडिंग का कोई ग्रेट एक्सपर्टीज की जरूरत नहीं थी. ही वाज ऑब्वियसली इन अ डिफरेंट लीग. रबाडा उस लेवल पे भी वाज बॉलिंग इंटरनेशनल स्टैंडर्ड. उसी वर्ल्ड कप में कुलदीप यादव वाज इंडियाज फाइंड. आई फाउंड हिम टू बी डैम गुड. साउथ अफ्रीका के कप्तान थे माकरम. सो इट्स ब्रिलियंट वाचिंग ऑल दीस पीपल एंड देन 2-3 years later they are household names.
एक फैंटेसी क्वेश्चन से मैं अगर शुरुआत करूं, मान लीजिए ट्राई सीरीज का जमाना गुजर गया. एक टाइम हुआ करता था, नेटवेस्ट हुआ करता था, सीबी सीरीज हुआ करती थी. मान लीजिए इंग्लैंड में ही इस वक्त ट्राई सीरीज चल रही होती और यही इंडिया की टीम अगर श्रीलंका नहीं जा रही होती, धवन की ये टीम, और अगर इनको भेज दिया होता इंग्लैंड वर्सेस द पाकिस्तान ए टीम वर्सेस द इंग्लैंड बी और सी टीम, कौन जीतती?
देखिए आप जरा केयरफुल रहिए क्योंकि when you say Pakistan A team, we always sort of look at India A as the second team. So Indian national team, the senior main team. Full strength Indian team.
Yeah.
तो अभी वर्ल्ड क्रिकेट में मजा ऐसा है कि डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कंडीशंस परफॉर्मेंसेस होते हैं एंड दे वेरी लाइक एनीथिंग, चॉक एंड चीज. सो आप पाकिस्तान को खिला अगेंस्ट सेकंड स्ट्रिंग इंग्लैंड टीम इन इंग्लैंड और वहां पर जाके वो थोड़ी लटकेगी. बट इफ यू मेक देम प्ले इन यूएई it will be a completely different thing. So this Indian team in England would give a run for money to the senior England team also. क्योंकि मैंने अभी एक आर्टिकल लिखा है जहां पर I'm raving about the kind of T20 talent. I'm talking about T20 more than 50 overs. 50 overs भी डाल दीजिए उसमें. White ball cricket का जो talent है, I think there is a tremendous sort of wealth currently. और ये जो T20 वर्ल्ड कप आने वाला है उसमें मुझे लगता है कि आई थिंक इंडिया विल in the history of their T20 World Cups will have the best team or they'll be the strongest contender to win the World Cup of all the teams that they have sent in the past. जो पहले जीते was not a team that was expected to win. जो हुआ वो अलग था, लेकिन I believe this is going to be India's best shot at the T20 World Cup.
अर्जुना रानोटुंगा ने भी बोला that you know it's a matter of shame कि आप एक second string team भेज रहे हैं, जबकि अगर आप इस टीम को देखें then 5 or 6 of the players were a part of that England ODI series. How do you rate this Indian team?
See, a lot of confusion is happening these days because there are so many people talking. इतने platforms से सब जगह से बातें हो रही है, so not too many people are really focusing on when you call a team a second string team. Then it should be like 1994, if you remember, triangular, quadrangular था वो, England, Zimbabwe, Australia A team and Australia main national team. ये 4 टीमें थी, and the Australia A team that had people like Greg Blewett and I think Ponting was in that team also. They beat England and Zimbabwe to enter the final best of 3 against the senior main Australian team, and they lost there. So ये है second string proper Australian team because it's in the same format.
Right.
This is not the first time that India or a country is having 2 teams in 2 different parts of the world playing international cricket. ये हुआ है. England has done it, and a lot of teams are nations are doing it. Where a different format वाली team, India की जो England में team है वो test team है. और जो यहाँ पर श्रीलंका में खेलेगी, that's a T20 and 50 overs team. You can say they are missing 4 or 5 players, but it's not a second string team. अगर ये test team होती श्रीलंका में इंडिया की, then it would be theoretically and accurately described as a second string test team or a one-day team or whatever.
Now, so the big names are missing. रोहित नहीं है, विराट नहीं है, बुमराह नहीं है, शामी नहीं है, पंत नहीं है,
ऋषभ
पंत नहीं है. तो ये लोग जब वापस आ जाएंगे, when you have a full strength Indian team, तब आपको लगता है कि क्या कोई ऐसी जगह बनती है इस टीम में जहां पे अभी भी कुछ लोगों के बीच एक भिड़ंत हो सकती है? There could be a fight for a spot.
बैटिंग में बहुत कम जगह है because विराट कोहली and रोहित शर्मा are going to open. That means पृथ्वी शॉ और पडिक्कल और ये जो contenders है, even शिखर धवन will not have a chance to start as India opener. So वहां पर जगह कम है. मुझे लगता है मिडिल में वापस थोड़ी जगह है. श्रेयस अय्यर के फिटनेस पे डिपेंडेंट है. वहां पर सूर्य कुमार यादव becomes a दावेदार. KL राहुल will bat down the order. हार्दिक पांड्या will play as a batter. ऋषभ पंत मिडिल ऑर्डर में है. तो विकेट कीपर बैटर के लिए कोई जगह नहीं. संजू सैमसन, ईशान किशन, despite I think great performance, they'll have to be better than 2 options that India have in KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant. तो वो मुझे नहीं लगता. सीम बॉलिंग ऑल्सो, उसमें भी थोड़ी जगह है क्योंकि बुमराह इज योर ग्रेट T20 bowler. Shami is very good, but there are some very good options that India can go for, and Sakaria is somebody that India can look at. Deepak Chahar is an excellent T20 bowler. Hardik Pandya अगर bowling करेगा तो
sorry to cut you over there. When you say Deepak Chahar, are you dismissing Bhuvneshwar Kumar over there?
See, Bhuvneshwar Kumar may be a senior, big name player in this team to Sri Lanka, but he'll have to prove himself. He made a very impressive start to his comeback recently, but again, injuries का थोड़ा issue हो गया in the last few international matches that he played. So वो एक issue होगा because Deepak Chahar has a brilliant T20 record for India. So वो एक contender है. तो मुझे लगता है सीम bowling में थोड़ी जगह है. Shardul Thakur might be a part of that Indian main T20 squad also, because he's that kind of a cricketer that captain loves to have.
Could this be the audition? Because you have a Chakravarti in the ranks, you have Kuldeep, you have Chahal. I think this series becomes very important for them. और उसके साथ साथ राहुल चहर भी हैं, दीपक चहर के जो cousin हैं. तो अभी तक particularly with the vein of form as far as Kulcha or Kuldeep and Chahal are concerned, क्या आपको लगता है ये एक audition हो सकता है to find India's spearhead spin bowling option?
देखिए इंडियन स्पिन डिपार्टमेंट जो है व्हाइट बॉल क्रिकेट में, इट वेंट थ्रू अ बिग रीजिग and that happened 2019 World Cup. Famously, England के खिलाफ युजवेंद्र चहल and Kuldeep Yadav as a bowling pair played together for the last time, which was ridiculous because 2 years उन्होंने इतनी शानदार performance दी थी, and one match that they got hammered quickly, everything was dismantled. Since then, India have again gone with the old, thinking, okay, have a spinner who can bat a little bit. People like Krunal Pandya or Jadeja, and they've got Krishnappa Gautam. So it seems like Virat Kohli is not willing to go down that lane of having somebody like a Kuldeep Yadav who will give you wickets but could go at in a big stage match, could go for runs. And because this T20 World Cup is in the Middle East and there are some small grounds there and flat pitches, I think Kuldeep Yadav का थोड़ा मुश्किल लगता है मुझे आना. He might go for somebody like a Rahul Chahar who is quick and flat, because Yuzvendra Chahal के थोड़े सा I think his impact is diminishing. And then Varun Chakravarti also becomes a contender. But that all depends on Virat's, psyche, whether he wants pure specialist spin bowlers or rather have a lot of batting and then have spinners who on a good day might bowl you 4 overs.
Another interesting case is that of Manish Pandey. And I don't know if you think of it as a lucky break as well, क्योंकि उस middle order में इतनी भीड़ है, क्या इनका भी कुलदीप यादव जैसी स्थिति बन रही है कि शायद ये एक अंतिम मौका है?
The Manish Pandey, you would think this is sort of make or break, but make भी अगर हुआ, if he has a great Sri Lanka tour, कहाँ आप उनको fit करेंगे? I'm just happy that they have given him an opportunity, because this is a guy who does well in IPL cricket, he's fit, good fielder, and मुझे लगता है कि because there are so many young players around, they decided to have somebody like a Manish Pandey around, and who's been making quite an impact for Sunrisers Hyderabad, I feel, if he bats at the right number and right attitude. But लगता है कि despite great performances, how is he going to come into that squad?
कल पहला वनडे इंटरनेशनल, although all the I think attention naturally हमारी T20 की तरफ चली जाती है, because in just about 90 days from now we have the T20 World Cup और उससे पहले जो IPL खेला जाएगा, but it's a one day international at the Premadasa tomorrow. आपकी 11 क्या होगी?
देखिए, ये 50 overs matches होने ही नहीं चाहिए, because there is absolutely no sense in having it now. When is the next 50 overs World Cup? 2023 में है.
Yeah.
So,
but now they also have the Cricket World Cup Super League, no? That adds a little bit of a
qualification. Yeah, qualification. Fair point. तो आपने मुझे काम पे लगा दिया बहुत. मुझे लगा एक रैंडम इंटरव्यू होगा, बातें होंगी, तो टीम निकालना यानी मुझे बैठना पड़ता है मेरी ब्लू बुक लेके. ये क्रिक इन्फो पे बहुत फेमस है ये.
अच्छा.
So I have to make notes and then मेरा थोड़ा सा दिमाग.
स्टीव वॉकर, लाल रुमाल और संजय मांजरेकर की पहली किताब.
Yes. तो ये है मेरी टीम. शिखर धवन.
Okay.
I'm going to take Prithvi Shaw because of the kind of form that he's in. Surya Kumar Yadav, I want to use his form in all formats. His form has been incredible.
Right.
I've just got Manish Pandey in, कि अगर लिया है तो टीम में लोन, there's no point getting a senior player in and keeping him on the bench. Toss-up between Ishan Kishan and Sanju Samson as the keeper. But if I'm one of the selectors, I would say play Ishan Kishan. Based on more consistency as a keeper batter over the years. तो वो मैं थोड़ा सोच रहा हूँ. Hardik Pandya with or without bowling. So he's proved himself in white ball cricket that he can be a proper batter. Have you noticed I've been saying batter?
Yeah. Feminist.
It's a new thing. Trying to win at least some people that way. I was tempted to play Krishnappa Gautam, who I find is a very interesting player. उसको थोड़ा break मिलना चाहिए. I just like his attitude even when he's not playing. Also, I've got Deepak Chahar. Then I've got Bhuvneshwar Kumar. And I've got Sakaria there playing. I want to give Sakaria a break. And then I've got Kuldeep and Varun Chakrabarti as my 2 spinners.
और एक और चीज इंटरेस्टिंग जो कल हुई वो ये है कि आईसीसी ने अनाउंस कर दिया है वर्ल्ड T20 की ग्रुपिंग्स, जो कि जिसकी शुरुआत होगी. सबसे पहले ये बता दें कि यूएई और ओमान में होगा. ये वर्ल्ड कप with the Super 12 stage happening only in UAE, यानी कि अबू धाबी, शारजा और दुबई में मैचेस होंगे. Super 12, which is in a way you can say is the tournament proper. लेकिन उससे पहले एक round 1 होगा, which is the qualification for the Super 12. Group A, श्रीलंका, आयरलैंड, नेदरलैंड्स, नामीबिया. Group B, बांग्लादेश, स्कॉटलैंड, पैप न्यू गिनी एंड ओमान. और फिर Super 12 में Group 1 would be England, Australia, South Africa, West Indies, A1 and B2 जो कि qualify करके आएंगे.
Which will be mostly Sri Lanka, Bangladesh. For viewers' comfort, we'll assume.
Yes. And Group 2 is India, Pakistan, New Zealand, Afghanistan, A2 and B1. Group 2 को आप कैसे देखते हैं जिसमें इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, न्यूजीलैंड, अफगानिस्तान है, और Group 1 को कैसे देखते हैं?
India has been very lucky with the draw in the last many World Cup events, ICC events. I must say India has been very lucky.
संजय, आप ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Aren't you excited about India versus Pakistan?
Not anymore. I mean, come on. India Pakistan का जो मजा था was in the past. You know, now India has risen as a team in the world where वो थोड़ा सा बाकियों को उत्साहित करने के लिए get more people, you know, wound up with India Pakistan. But as a contest, if you look at ICC events, barring, you know, just one or two, India has been the far superior side. और वो जो needle था ना India Pakistan was much more fun earlier, where really there was, you know, a lot of क्या बोलते हैं tension between the two teams. So it was great fun. But I can understand why it is a big draw, which I can understand. So not surprisingly, India, Pakistan are in the league stage, and hopefully, if they do well, both teams, you might see them again in.
But Group 1 is England, Australia, South Africa, West Indies. Group of death for you and for everyone, I'm sure.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's a tough one, but if you look at it, थोड़ा सा emotion बाजू में रख के, and I keep saying this, you know, we tend to be, I'm an Indian, हम लोग, we get a lot of emotionally थोड़ा सा bias आ जाता है. So when you think about Australia, South Africa, but on current form, and when you look at the current playing 11 और उनके जो players हैं, मुझे लगता है उसमें West Indies and England are the two, you know, very strong contenders to come through. In fact, when you look at, if you ask anyone, and I remember being privy to a conversation when Virat was in the lounge, and they have a lot of respect and fear of the West Indies team, क्योंकि उनको आप क्या field लगा सकते? You can't have people on the roof to catch if Andre Russell hits the ball on the roof, ऐसा करके आप ground पे ही लगा सकते हो right fielders. So that is the danger, and the incredible thing about what you saw when they beat Australia recently is every game there was a new, you know, match winner. Yeah. Andre Russell था एक बार, then Shimron Hetmyer wasn't getting runs, the Puran hasn't fired as much, तो बहुत सारे game changes है. So it's a damn good team. So West Indies, England, my rating in that 1 and 2 from that group.
एक सवाल था और वो मेरा ये है, क्योंकि जो एक जनरल लेवल ऑफ क्रिकेट आपको देखने को आजकल मिलता है संजय, as far as the health of world cricket is concerned, limited to India, England, Australia, and maybe New Zealand as well, but उसके बाहर कुछ ऐसा है नहीं.
Has been for a long time, and it's also got to do with the economy of that particular country and their love for the game. Indian economy is pretty strong. अगर India एक poor country होती है, all the love we had 60s 70s में बहुत प्यार था क्रिकेट से, लेकिन उनको बेचारों को मिलता था 200 रुपया per test match, you know. So India is lucky that the economy is big and it loves cricket, so that's why there is money. Pakistan में cricket popularity hasn't gone down one bit. West Indies, unfortunately, you know, economy. तो ये सब play में आ जाता है, but let's forget about, you know, teams getting to become great test teams. वो अब होने वाला है नहीं. So it's not really the format any young player is looking to excel in. So as long as, you know, T20 cricket, and as long as you see some kind of excellence in our sport, I think we should be happy. And the biggest worry, and it's a challenge that the ICC also knows, is that realistically there are still like 8 or 10 teams that play the sport, unlike, you know, football that we just saw, Euro and other tournaments. So वो जब होगा अगर 25-30 teams, you know, all pretty good teams, if वो होगा तो then you could say that it's become a truly global sport. Until then, it's अपना World Cup is a very small world that we play in.
Sanjay Manjrekar, thank you so very much for joining us on Cricket with Sid, and I hope आपसे फिर से मैं मुलाकात करूँ इस शो पे जल्दी. That's it from me.